warm welcome to your Wake Up Women series. I'm Priyanka Bhatia from Women on Wealth, and today we have yet another guest, a special woman, a woman who truly took charge of her finances. She is Shweta Lamba, a teacher by profession, coming from a super humble background, seeing a lot of challenges with the family around their medical condition and a lot of money being spent there. She has altered her financial destiny. Not just with Women on Wealth, but I think just with her commitment to alter it. She was already bringing herself on track after losing some money when she invested on tips. So, here is one woman that we will meet today, whom you will see how she has altered her destiny and what her life is about. Shweta, I can already see you in. Hi, good evening. Let's bring her in and let's bring cheer here. And if you're around, please start acknowledging your presence. Just say hi, hello that you've joined. Hey Tanisha, hi. Hi Shweta, good evening, warm welcome.
Thank you so much. Good evening. Good evening.
Thank you for coming in. What a privilege having you. It's an absolute privilege, and I want you to know this.
Thank you so much, Priyanka, for inviting me. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Shweta, please start sharing who you are, what you do, where you come in from, what's your background like. Let everybody know who you are. Please, over to you.
Thank you so much. Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm Shweta. I'm 48 years old. I'm teacher by profession, and I teach mathematics. So, though I teach mathematics, but I'm not good in finances. Of course, like I was not at all good in finances, and I came from very humble background in the sense like my childhood was like that. Like there was a very tough financial situation, and my mother, my father both had cancer, and whatever my father earned, so like all the money he had to spend on the treatment of cancer for my mother, and later on he himself had cancer. So like financially very challenging and very tough childhood. And but like my father was very keen that his children should get good education. So that way, like I am very blessed that he never ever my our actually education did not hamper. Like he always made sure like our education did not hamper. So that way I'm very blessed.
Got that, Shweta. Thank you for sharing. And outright, I mean, my heart goes out to you because seeing your parents suffer so much, it just takes courage to come and say that yeah, my parents suffered, and hey, we suffered financially because of that. It takes courage. So thank you for sharing that. And yes, another thing, another myth you busted right when you came, that maths has nothing to do with finance.
Yeah.
If maths could do it, you would
I'm
be
good in
great.
numbers. Sorry.
Go ahead, Shweta.
So I am good in numbers, but when it comes to financial thing, so I'm literally dumb. I should say literally
You
dumb.
were, you were.
No knowledge, nothing. But of course, like after joining Money Gym program and learned so many things, so many skills I have learned with this community. So again, I would say like I am so blessed to be a part of this community.
Thank you. So going back, Shweta, I get, of course, numbers can be your thing, math can be your thing, but yet finance is not your thing or was not your thing. And that's one myth busted. Another one that I want to really talk about is, so when your parents were going through what they were going through, what do you think were some of your money lessons, Shweta? What do you think you learned which probably went amiss where your parents were, or maybe it wasn't amiss, but yeah, just some money lessons.
Hmm. So, since my childhood, as I shared, like lot of financial crunches we had seen, and only like our situation was just like hand to mouth, whatever we are getting, that's what we were spending. So of course, like saving a little bit amount was a big thing for me and my brother. So like we were in joint family, so like everyone together, like we used to spend small amount, maybe few coins, maybe some relatives give us sometimes, like on occasionally, like we got like sometimes gift in form of money, so that we used to spend, and that was like just a treasure for us. Okay, like
Right.
getting the money from the relatives as a gift on few occasions were really a treasure for us. So
Hmm.
we did not have the liberate to spend the money the way we wanted. So it
Right.
is not like the way others were doing. So we, even though we wanted to, but like we didn't have that kind of
Right.
privilege
Right.
to spend that kind of a money. But yes, like as I said, I'm blessed because like my father, he was very wise person in when it came to finances. So like he always made sure like our education should not get obstruct with, because of any kind of a financial challenge. So that way I'm blessed. Yeah, I have done my graduation, then post graduation, then I have done my B.Ed, then M.Ed. So all because of his wisdom, like how he could able to manage to save that much of money. So
Got
that was a learning ki, like how to save little amount of money so that it helps in
got
a crucial time.
got it. Got it. And you know, it really, you are establishing the importance of education. There, yeah. Only when you're educated can, you know, some movement happen in your life. And well, that also brings me to financial education. So got the money lesson. I mean,
Hmm.
little bit every month, and it can become
Hmm.
huge to educate two children, which is not
Yeah.
easy. And you guys are highly educated. It's not just education, but yeah, like real, really highly educated. Got that. So how has life been after that? You saw your parents suffering, and then what?
So like yes, like my mother passed away when I was only 6 years old, and then of course like after my education got completed, I got a job, and when I got my first salary, it was a big day for me.
Right.
And like because I knew the importance of money, so of course I was not just like spending the money wherever I wanted to, but I
Mm-hmm.
was like bit saver. And then I got married, and of course like my husband was also from similar kind of a background, and
Okay.
my mother-in-law was also cancer patient at that time. So whatever we were earning, so like again it was going on the treatment. But
Mm-hmm.
like of course life has many ups and downs, so we did our best. And of course like gradually the situation improved, gradually we both earned a decent salary, and then we could able to first pay off our all the debts whatever we had taken for our mother-in-law's treatment. And then
Right.
after that we could be able to save that much amount of a money that we could have a easy life. uh,
Right.
so
That's good.
the
Yeah. That's
situation was not very good, but gradually both of us together could able to transform the things.
right. Right. Got it. So getting married into a family, similar challenges, not enough money. Money is going
Yeah,
into medical treatments. My goodness, yeah, quite a lot of medical history there in your families.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
got that. And then, you know, okay, time passed on. You guys managed to save. Life became comfortable. And then, how did investing begin, Shweta? For you?
Investing was a little challenge because like we both came from such a background that investing in some secure thing was actually like stock and mutual fund. I think like that was not a cup of tea for us. So
Right,
we were not at all like no knowledge, no
right,
understanding. but we were always looked up to someone or the other one who used to invest, and then like learning from others like how they are doing. And though like we tried to invest, we did few investments also based on other people, like whatever they used to tell us, but like again that was a big failure.
Ah,
So and we saved our money in PPF, GPF, and then this that, and just to make sure ki, like we should have a plenty of, in the sense like we should have some secured money for our children, for our retirement funds. But like now when we looked up to others, like now we have some good decent saving, and we wanted to invest for our children, like they should have a good education, they should have a good life ahead. And
right.
when we started looking for the investment, like we started talking about others about investment, like where to invest and how to invest, which fund or which stocks to invest. So of course, like we are blessed with few good people around us. They actually like guided us well, but like again that did not go well. And me during this conversation only, and I have a very good friend of mine, Gunjan. She told me about a few investments, in the sense like she actually told me about she is taking the education training, financial education training from
Right.
you. And that's how I came to know about Wow. That's how I came to know about this community. And I decided, though I'm not aware of any, I was not at all aware of any financial thing. Uh, but like when I joined this Money Gym program, I think like so many what I can say is like I had clouded mind for the finances thing, but now it is getting clear. And yes, I'm able to see good investments, and I'm able to learn so many things. It is not only investment, it is whatever I have learned. So I have just taken a baby step. I have just started learning about the finances, but now that confidence has come, ki yes, I can do very well now with the finances, with the financial education.
Shweta, can we say, like, despite being highly educated,
Hmm.
not being educated in finances is a
Hmm.
downside? Because, I mean, you got all this higher education because you were somebody who's brilliant in academics, and despite being so brilliant, right, not being able
Yeah.
to invest your money, could we attribute this to lack of financial education? What do you think?
Yes, absolutely yes. Absolutely yes. So I told you that I am from mathematics background. I am a mathematics teacher, but I did not have any understanding, any knowledge about the finances, any knowledge. So like whatever I have learned, I even to be very honest, at this platform, I did not have the knowledge of. I was not aware of the difference between the mutual fund and the stocks. What is
Right.
the difference? So that's what I have learned from Wow only. That's what I have learned in Money Gym program only. So like person like me who never ever interested in investing. So like I am getting that clarity, I'm getting that confidence, I'm getting that like I'm overcoming that fear to invest in
Right.
good investments. So like that was a fear ki, like I just wanted to save my money in PPF, GPF, or some very safe kind of a investment. So that was a fear I could able to overcome now.
Got that. Got that. And thank you for sharing this because, like a lot of us follow this dependent way of investing. We ask
Hmm.
others and then we invest. We think it will work out. But then most times it doesn't. We lose money, we lose heart, and then, all this fear. And, anyways, there is so much fear where we are as human beings. So,
Yeah.
and one more loss is like, another hit. And yeah, when you are speaking today, then I am getting present to that how much the dependency and the emotions, especially the disempowering emotions, need to be
Hmm.
handled to
Hmm.
actually move into a space where you are financially enabled.
Yeah.
Got
Yeah,
that.
true. Hmm.
Got
So
that.
true. Thank you so much, because like after joining this Money Gym program, if like I have few dreams. So like I had few big dreams. I really wanted to do something very big for the community. But of course, like whatever we want to do, everything and anything needs money. So I have dreams, and I was a person who based everything on prayers. So I was praying for from many years, ki like how I wanted to, the how was not clear. I was very clear that I wanted to do this thing, but how was not clear ki how I will do that. So,
Right.
but after getting this financial education, so I am feeling empowered now. I'm feeling ki yes, I am on the right track. Though I have joined Money Gym program at this age of 48, but I am feeling very confident that now whatever I have dreamt, I will be able to fulfill that. That is for sure. That is
Got
for sure. Like that confidence and that empowerment I got after attending this gym program. After becoming the part of WOW community.
got that. And so what if you're 48? The best part is you've begun. I think that is what
Yes.
matters. Yeah.
Yes. True.
And yeah, when I look back, because I started at 21, I'm 36 today, and yeah, there is no match to starting early, I would say, but
Yeah.
yes, better late than never. I think, like, let's
Yeah.
not lose the bus.
Yeah. Yes.
And I'm
True.
glad, Shweta, that you got your daughter in for the course too,
Yeah.
and that you guys
So
are doing it together, which is another
yeah,
level.
because like like she's when she saw me doing, and when we started having conversation about the finances at home, so even she got very interested and she got very motivated, and she's told me, "Kilo, stock I will do. I will only do, and then let me be independently doing that." So I said, okay, so let her learn, because like I lagged somewhere in my life at that age. She is 21, so I'm happy she has started at this age. So I really want her ki she should learn like to how to secure her own finances.
Absolutely, absolutely, Shweta. And if she combines money gym and stocks together, the portfolio that she will build, I guarantee you 10, 12 years and she's going to be financially free. It's
Yes,
like
so we
that.
have a good plan for that. We have our own plans. Yes, definitely, she will definitely do that also.
Wow.
So, because I'm not forcing her, I just want her to learn on her own way. And but like I'm telling you, she's a kind of a person. I never saw her like taking so much of interest in finances, and she's a kind of a person who used to spend without even thinking. But now, like she's more careful, more careful than me, like where to
Yeah,
spend and where not to spend. So that is a very big change in her, and both of us together we used to write our expenditures on the daily basis. So that is
right.
a big transformation in me. I never used to do that. Never used to write my daily money in and money out thing. But now I'm getting regular in that, and I'm happy that my children are learning at this age.
Yeah. I'm glad that you got a financial buddy in your daughter. I think
Yes. Yes.
what what better than that, Shweta? What better than that? Like real.
Yes. Hmm.
Awesome.
All because of you, Priyanka.
All
So
because
we
of the
both,
effort you've put in. We can bring in all the tools that we have, but it's only people like you and Muskan, your daughter, right, who really use it and then alter their lives. So I think that is what matters. Shweta, tell
we
me, how's
both
your husband doing with two of you talking about finances? What is he getting into?
he's a big support to both of us. Very big support to both of us. Actually, he insisted me to start this Money Gym program. And
Okay.
initially, actually, like because I was not aware of this kind of a education platform where we can get the financial education. So we just wanted to like the way we